So in the last couple of videos, we talked about some of the smaller features in our PDU outlet boxes. And so this time, we're going to kind of talk about more of the meat to what these can actually do. And by what I mean by that is where they can be used and how they can be used. And more specifically, with PDU outlet box stringers. So PDU outlet box stringers are when you have more than one box connected to just one power source. So it could be 10 feet to a box, and then another 10 feet of cable to another box, and then again 10 feet to a third box. You can also do something custom if you need it to have like a longer lead or longer cord in between. We can do that too. But in this instance, we have a stringer cord with a L2130 plug. And so what makes this work is that it has multiple hots available to use. So with each hot, you have a box. 1, 2, 3. And because of that, you can also have separate circuit breakers. So one box has one circuit breaker, the second and the third, and so on. They each have their own circuit breakers. What makes that really nice is if you're working at an event or whatever, you need to power multiple places. Let's say one of the vendors or booths or whatever happens to overdraw on their box and it trips the circuit breaker. You would think that would turn off the power to everyone else around you. With these, that is not the case. So we actually have set up here for you today, just a little demo. It's like a trade show. You have 3 10 foot by 10 foot booths, so 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, we actually have power over here connected to this one. It's got a video playing. And then this middle one, you can see the computer is turned off. I'll try to turn it on. It's not working, so they happen to trip their breaker. And then over here, we just have a booth with like different power tools set up. You can see it's got the power indicator, it's charging the battery, and the table saw works. Okay. And so we actually just pre-tripped the breaker for this video just to demonstrate how this works. So again, we have the stringer behind these booths. You have the first one powered, second one tripped, third one is still powered. So we'll just go ahead and reset the circuit breaker here. So it's reset. So now you should be able to get power to this booth. You can see it's starting to power on. There we go. So having stringer boxes like these is super helpful because when you're at an event, if somebody trips their circuit breaker, it won't impact your neighbors. So they'll keep going, It's not all going to completely shut off. So if you have questions about this topic, please leave a comment down below. Otherwise, be sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.